Hello guys, what is the capital city of Telangana? Options A. Vijayawada, B. Hyderabad, C. Warangal, D. Nizamabad, and correct answer is Hyderabad. And next question, which river is considered the lifeline of Telangana? Options A. Krishna, B. Godavari, C. Musi, D. Tungabhadra, and correct answer is Godavari. And next question, which plateau region does Telangana mainly lie in? Options A. Deccan Plateau, B. Malwa Plateau, C. Chota Nagpur Plateau, D. Vindhyan Plateau, and correct answer is Deccan Plateau. And next question, the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, one of the largest dam in Telangana, is built on which river? Options A. Krishna, B. Godavari, C. Manjira, D. Musi, and correct answer is Krishna. And next question, which national park in Telangana is famous for its biodiversity and tigers? Options A. Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park, B. Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park, C. Yattur Nagaram Wildlife Sanctuary, D. Kaval Wildlife Sanctuary, and correct answer is Kaval Wildlife Sanctuary. And next question, what is the official state animal of Telangana? A. Tiger, B. Indian roller, C. Spotted deer, D. Black buck, and correct answer is black buck. And next question, which district is known as the rice bowl of Telangana? Options A. Karimnagar, B. Nizamabad, C. Nalgonda, D. Warangal, and correct answer is Karimnagar.